Good morning. I'm Pittsburgh's action weather meteorologist Jill Swed. The winter storm is upon us. Winter storm warning now in effect for all of western Pennsylvania until noon on Monday. As we take a look at the radar, there is a pretty significant band of heavy snow working through now parts of Beaver, Butler, and Armstrong counties. That band slowly working its way along 376, getting close to Beaver Falls right now. That band just sitting over Cranberry Township, also parts of South Butler, extending over towards the Freeport area that even loops back along 422 over towards Katanning. Inside this band, there is a possibility of some very quick accumulations. Could be talking about an inch to an inch and a half per hour, and that band is going to continue to travel up towards the north here as we get this winter storm started. Meanwhile, elsewhere across the region, moderate snow across most of Allegheny County. It looks like that band is sitting up to produce some more intense bursts of snow through the Mon Valley that also extends along the Turnpike. As we look across southern parts of Westmoreland County, still all snow across the region, but that snow is sticking. I want to show you a video that was shot by one of our photojournalists just a little bit ago. This is in the city of Pittsburgh's Oakland neighborhood, where you can see some of that powdery light snow is coming down, coating the roads. So obviously, if you have to be out there very early this morning, you want to proceed with extreme caution, as roads are going to be snow covered. They will be slick and slippery. And of course, this is just the beginning of what's to come as this winter storm will be evolving. Let's take you back now to Futurecast. Again, we're going to continue to see this area-wide snow build in from south to north. More than likely around 10 o'clock this morning, that's when more of those intense snow bands will be setting up. We'll pick up the bulk of our accumulation between 10 o'clock this morning and 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It's around that same time that the snow is going to become a little bit stickier, better for packing and making snowmen, as also still that warm edge that continues to build in from West Virginia. That could bring some periods of freezing rain and sleet. It looks like it could impact communities like Waynesburg, Uniontown, possibly even briefly as far north as Latrobe. Meanwhile, the bigger impacts will be felt back through the mountain state as some of that warm air continues to move in. That should shut off as we work towards about 4 o'clock. Again, that's really the height of this winter storm, when most of the accumulation will happen across western Pennsylvania. We'll see another burst of area-wide snow, some embedded pockets of near whiteout conditions with a drop in visibility and heavy snowfall as we work through the evening. Once we push past 11 o'clock tonight, a lot of the steady snow will be tapering off, and we will still see some lingering snow showers as we get your Monday underway. Good rule of thumb, at least when it comes to accumulations, 9 to 12 inches of snow today, but more than likely we're going to see some banding setting up just north of the city of Pittsburgh, moving into parts of Butler, Clarion, Armstrong, Indiana counties. That's where we could see totals between 10 and 14 inches of snow. Meanwhile, that wintry mix south and east will drop things back across parts of Greene, Fayette, Westmoreland counties, northern West Virginia, Garrett County, Maryland as well. So you could be talking about 6 to 9 inches of snow, plus that icy accumulation mixed in as well.